Alright, so y'all just sit back, take this little ride with me for a minute. This was supposed to be a YouTube short of me just quickly changing out the valve seals, but as you're looking at there, the cam was just shot, the lobes were all squared off and in terrible shape. So, looks like we ordering a new cam. So as we're taking out the valve springs, I realized that one of those was broken in half, which you'll see here in a minute. So I had to order valve springs. Might as well order new valves while we're in there. So this quick little valve job very quickly turned into a full head rebuild. So sit back and watch me struggle. Also, one quick note, I just want everybody out there to know, um, you'll see how quickly I fly through putting these valve spring retainers in. That's just for the video. If I did the whole thing, this took me 45 minutes. I hate valve spring retainers. Getting them out, no problem. Getting them back in, absolute nightmare. I just want to let everybody out there know this is not a 30-second process like it is in the video. This takes me forever.